Chuck Crosby, the Crosby Law Office's questions for you. And in 10 years of doing this, plus 10 years plus doing this radio show, this is the first time we had this question. Haley owns property in Jefferson County and explains in this email that her neighbor has a couple of fruit trees growing along his property line. She says this past summer, some of the branches of the fruit trees were hanging over Haley's property. And she's wondering, she didn't do it, but she's wondering for next spring and summer, who owns the fruit growing on the branches that are on her side of the property? That's a really good question. Yeah.
Well, yeah, it's her fruit. I mean, it's on her property. The fact that it overhangs is what does that for her. It's kind of analogous to, if there's damage. If you see property or the limb overhanging your property and it's breaking, et cetera, you need to take care of it, et cetera, et cetera. But yeah, if that branch is over her property, enjoy yourself an apple.
Okay, so and no problems. Should she talk to the neighbor first and say, "Hey, it's over my property. I just want to be able to let you know I'm going to take some of these"? No?
I'm always fond of neighbors talking to each other. That can't hurt. But in fact, fruit falling onto her property, that's hers.
Good to know.
And just having been a former picker of apples in a variety of orchards in central New York, I can tell you, you wait for it to drop.
Hold on. You opened up a apple of world. So wait, you picked these for a living? You were an apple picker?
A living, money.
Okay.
Yeah. Plus, you go to orchards, and New York has huge numbers of apple orchards. They're the number 2 dairy producing state. I used to work on a farm and with dairy cows and all that kind of stuff. So.
And why wait for them to drop? But you got
they're ripe. They're ripe.
Oh, those are the ones that are ripe. Okay.
Right. You always grab the ones, you go to the you pick apple places and you grab one off the tree. It's, it may not be ripe. But you wait for it to drop. Don't let it sit there long, just let it drop and it's ready to go.
Yeah. Newton did that.
Yeah.
All right. Yes, he did. All right. Thank you, Brett. I'm glad you got that.